my life, she said, seems to be little more than long-ass laundry list for stains 1,000 strangers made. Here I am on my knees like a fairytale heroine, hoping this dander'll become gold ingots somehow. Hush, my dear, said the old hag with the mantis-looking head. Two red eyes like live coals burning bright inside the night. I'm here now to extol thee, the virtues of the maidenhead. These the soft rules that'll help you navigate your weary life. Heed the eyes of the man that would have you lay with him. Study the heat that is caused when his eyes behold your warmth. Know that he is impatience, almost wholly by design. Study his wants and ensure your wishes he will manifest. Is the beloved of God. Still each one wants to be a lion. Every man's a deity in his own head. But all who are born will one day